Auzubillahiminesh-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Rabbi zidni ilma, Rabbi zidni ilma, Rabbi zidni ilma. Students, how are you? I hope you will be fine. Students, class 4. Here, I am your English teacher. First of all, open your English planner. Okay, this is our English planner. We are doing week 2. In the last lecture, who did the reading the hummingbird who chewed the bubble gum. Okay, and today we will do period number 10 and 12. Okay, period number 10 and 12. Period number 11 we skip because this is activity that we skip and we will do in the classroom. Okay, inshallah. Okay, mention the date here 12 4 15 4 2021, period number 10, and the period number 12 workbook page number 4 and 5. Mention date 14 4 2021. Let's open page number 2 with me. Okay, student, this is page number 2. First of all, mention date on the top of the page 15 4 2021, and the day is Thursday. Here, unit number 1, the hummingbirds who chewed bubble gum. Okay, consult your dictionary. Okay, यहाँ पे इन्हें बता रहे हैं कि consult your dictionary words, definitions and the sentence. The words are given here. The first word is warm. This is noun. The second one is twig. We have to check out what is this. And the third one is surprise. Fourth one is realize. And the last one is suddenly. So, the first blocks they have completed for us. Worm. Worm is a noun. A long, thin, soft animal with the segmented body had no legs that slithered through the soil looking for the food. Okay, the now sentence is given. The bird had a worm in its beak. Okay, the second one is twig. What is twig? Twig is a noun. Stem of a tree. The sentence is the nest is made of twig. Move on the next. Surprise. This one is surprise. Surprise is adjective. Surprise is adjective. An unexpected event or fact. Unexpected event and fact. Rida was surprised when she saw the ghost. Realize. Realize is verb. Realize. Realize is verb. Understand clearly. Understand clearly. She realized that his time was not yet come. She realized that his time was not yet come. The next one is suddenly. Suddenly, this is part of speech is adverb. Quickly, unexpected. Quickly, unexpected. The sentence is here. Asma suddenly changed her mind. Asma suddenly changed her mind. Okay, this is first page, and this page, write on this page neat and clean. Come on the next page, page number 3. Okay, the next page is page number 3. This is your HW. Do it at home. Okay, this is your HW. So open your page number 4 and 5. Here the questions are given. Page number 4 and 5. First of all, mention the date on the top of the page. The date is 5/4/2021. The day is Thursday. Okay, answer the question. But all the twigs and the straws were blown away by last week's storm. Said the little hummingbird is a sad voice. Why was the bird sad? ओके, वाई वाज द बर्ड सैड? जब जो हवा आई थी और जो तूफान आया था जिसमें हमिंग बर्ड जो सैड वॉइस में गाया था, तो वो क्या था? बिकॉज आंसर द बिकॉज इट नेस्ट वॉज डिस्ट्रॉयड. क्योंकि उसका नेस्ट जो था वो क्यों उदास था वो? क्योंकि उसका नेस्ट जो था वो डिस्ट्रॉय हो चुका था. द सेकेंड वन, व्हेन द बर्ड आस्क्ड द बबल गम द गर्ल वॉज डैश. द फिलिंग ब्लैंक्स इज देयर. द गर्ल वॉज सरप्राइज एंड डैश happy. Clue to different feeling. Okay, surprise and feelings. Okay, the third one is the girl was annoyed when the bird asked for more bubble gum on the second day. True or false? जब जो है वो हमिंग बर्ड ने द गर्ल वाज अनॉयड, जब जो है वो अनॉयड होगी क्योंकि सेकंड डे भी बबल गम बर्ड ने जो है वो बबल गम मांगे लड़की से, तो क्या वो जो है वो सरप्राइज हो गई थी या अनॉय अभी परेशान हो गई थी? तो द आंसर क्या है, ट्रू और फॉल्स? दिस इज़ फॉल्स, क्योंकि वो खुश हुई थी, क्योंकि वो हमिंग बर्ड जब वो नेस्ट बना रही थी तो उसकी बार बार मदद कर रही थी, तो वो उसकी हेल्प करने से वो खुश हो रही थी, वो अनॉयड नहीं हो रही थी. Okay, the next one is the hummingbird chewed 4 bubble gum and the 4 orange bubble gum. She also ate 8 bubble gum and the 3 bubble gum of the white color. But she threw away the bubble gum. How many bubble gum the girl had to gather and how many are left now? ओके यहाँ पे इन्होंने हमसे पूछा गया है कि जो गर्ल है वो उसने 4 बबल गम उसने खाए 7 ऑरेंज और 4 जो है वो रेड बबल गम एंड आल्सो शी एट, उसने फिर उसके बाद ब्लू लिए और खाए और उसके बाद 3 जो है उसके खाए, तो 8 जो कलर उसके पास कितने थे, कितने उसने खा लिए, कितने उसके पास लेफ्ट हो गए? तो द बर्ड हैड 22 बबल गम एट ऑल टुगेदर, उसके पास कितने थे, 22 थे, एंड द लेफ्ट कितने लेफ्ट हो गए, 18. कैसे 22 माइनस 4, तो इसमें से आपके पास कितने आ गए, 4 आ गए. And the next is, did the girl like the company of the little bird? How can you tell? Give it at least too simple to spot the answer. Okay, the answer, she liked the company of the bird and said I enjoy her sing. जब वो गाता था तो वो जो है वो उसकी कंपनी को क्या करता था, enjoy करता था. Move on the next page, page number 5. Ancient date and first of all, there was something unusual about the nest that the girl saw. What was it? जो अनयूजुअल अनहोनी कौन सी चीज़ थी जो लड़की ने देखी थी? इट वॉज मेड विद द बबल गम. जो नेस्ट किसके साथ बना हुआ था, बबल गम के साथ. कैन यू क्रिएट न्यू एंड अनयूजुअल यूजेस ऑफ बबल गम? येस, वी कैन अटैच थिंग विथ ईच अदर थ्रू बबल गम. ओके, द नेक्स्ट लेबल एंड कलर द हमिंग बर्ड. ये जो हमिंग बर्ड है यहाँ पे आपने label, I will label but you have to color it. Okay, some words are given here, we have to choose the words and filling the proper blank. Okay, the first one is dash. This is head, metallic green head. B, along seal, bright red thought, pale chest and belly. The last one is small frog tail. Okay students, this is today work class 4. Do it neat and clean and give 1 finger distance. Okay, stay blessed, stay happy with your family. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day.